The 2009 Quest. Well equipped with numerous standard convenience and safety features, the Nissan Quest is a classy minivan with crisp handling, sharp steering, and a strong and smooth powertrain, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, anti-lock braking system, CD changer, power lift gate, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless entry, cruise control, universal garage door opener, climate control, rear defrost, FWD, AM/FM stereo radio, backup camera, passenger airbag. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.